Leadpages, landing page builder for lead generation.
But before we start, please support us by pressing like and subscribe buttons. Also turn on the bell notification to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you.
Leadpages.com is a software company that provides tools for creating and optimizing landing pages, websites, and pop-ups for marketing and lead generation purposes. Their platform offers features such as drag-and-drop builder, allows users to create landing pages without needing coding knowledge. Templates, provides a variety of customizable templates for different types of landing pages and websites. A/B testing enables users to test different versions of their pages to see which performs better. Integrations, integrates with numerous marketing and sales tools such as email marketing services, CRMs, and analytics tools. Analytics, offers built-in analytics to track the performance of landing pages and optimize them for better conversion rates. Leadpages is designed to help businesses capture leads and grow their audience by creating high-converting web pages quickly and easily. Using Leadpages can offer several benefits, particularly if you are focused on digital marketing and lead generation. 1. Ease of use. The drag-and-drop builder and customizable templates make it easy to create professional-looking landing pages, websites, and pop-ups without needing technical skills or coding knowledge. 2. Time-saving. Pre-designed templates and the intuitive interface allow for quick setup and deployment of marketing pages, saving time compared to building pages from scratch. 3. Conversion optimization. Features like A/B testing and analytics help you optimize your pages for higher conversion rates, ensuring that you get the most out of your marketing efforts. 4. Integration with marketing tools. Leadpages integrates with many popular marketing and sales tools, such as email marketing platforms, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, CRMs, Salesforce, HubSpot, and analytics tools, Google Analytics, allowing for seamless data flow and better campaign management. 5. Lead generation. The platform is specifically designed to help you capture and manage leads effectively with tools like pop-up forms, alert bars, and opt-in text campaigns. 6. Mobile responsive pages. All pages created with Leadpages are mobile responsive, ensuring a good user experience across different devices. 7. SEO friendly. Built-in SEO settings help improve the visibility of your landing pages and websites in search engine results, driving organic traffic to your site. 8. Hosting and security. Leadpages offers secure and reliable hosting for your landing pages and websites, removing the need for third-party hosting services. 9. Customer support. Access to customer support and resources like tutorials, webinars, and a knowledge base can help you make the most of the platform. 10. Community and resources. Leadpages provides a community forum and various educational resources to help users improve their marketing strategies and get better results. By leveraging these benefits, you can enhance your online marketing efforts, generate more leads, and grow your business more effectively. To start using Leadpages, follow these steps. 1. Sign up for an account. Visit leadpages.com, https://www.leadpages.com. Click on Start Free Trial or Get Started. Choose a plan that fits your needs and create an account by providing your email address and setting a password. You may also be required to enter payment information, but you'll have a trial period to test the platform. 2. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the Leadpages dashboard. This is where you'll manage your pages, integrations, analytics, and more. 3. Create your first landing page. Click on Create New Landing Page. Choose a template from the library. You can filter templates by type, industry, or conversion goal. Use the drag-and-drop builder to customize the template to fit your needs. Add text, images, forms, and other elements by dragging them onto the page. Customize the settings, such as SEO, mobile view, and tracking codes. 4. Add integrations. Connect your Leadpages account with other tools you use, such as email marketing platforms, CRM systems, and analytics tools. This can be done through the Integrations section in the dashboard. 5. Publish your landing page. Once you're satisfied with your landing page, click on the Publish button. Choose your domain. You can use a Leadpages subdomain or connect your own custom domain. Your landing page will be live and ready to start capturing leads. 6. Set up A/I/B testing. To optimize your landing pages, set up A/I/B tests to compare different versions and see which one performs better. Use the built-in A/I/B testing tools in Leadpages to create and monitor your tests. 7. Monitor and analyze performance. Use the analytics dashboard to track the performance of your landing pages. Monitor metrics such as traffic, conversion rates, and lead generation. Make data-driven decisions to improve your landing pages and overall marketing strategy. 8. Utilize support and resources. If you need help, refer to the resources provided by Leadpages, such as tutorials, webinars, and the knowledge base. Contact customer support if you encounter any issues or have specific questions. By following these steps, you can start using Leadpages to create effective landing pages and improve your lead generation and marketing efforts. Leadpages offers several advantages compared to similar websites and platforms in the landing page and lead generation space. 1. Ease of use. Leadpages, known for its user-friendly drag-and-drop builder, which allows non-technical users to create professional landing pages quickly. Others. While many platforms offer drag-and-drop builders, Leadpages is often praised for its intuitive interface and ease of use. 2. Comprehensive template library. Leadpages provides a wide range of customizable templates for various industries and purposes, ensuring users can find a template that fits their needs. Others, competitors may also offer templates, but the variety and quality can vary. Leadpages frequently updates its library with new designs. 3. Conversion-optimized features. Leadpages offers built-in A/I/B testing, analytics, and features like alert bars and pop-ups designed specifically to boost conversions. Others. Some platforms might lack built-in A/I/B testing or require additional integrations for similar conversion-focused features. 4. Integrations. Leadpages integrates seamlessly with a wide range of marketing tools, including email marketing services, CRMs, and analytics tools. Others. Integration capabilities can vary, with some platforms not offering as extensive a range of integrations. 5. Mobile responsiveness. Leadpages ensures that all landing pages are mobile responsive, providing a consistent user experience across devices. Others. While most modern platforms also offer mobile responsiveness, Leadpages implementation is often highlighted for its reliability. 6. SEO and performance. Leadpages includes built-in SEO settings and tools to help improve the visibility of landing pages in search engine results. Others, SEO features can vary, with some platforms requiring more manual setup or additional plugins. 7. Hosting and security. Leadpages provides secure hosting for landing pages, removing the need for third-party hosting services. Others, some platforms might require you to manage your own hosting, which can add complexity and cost. 8. Support and resources. Leadpages offers robust customer support, including tutorials, webinars, a knowledge base, and a community forum.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like videos like this. Thank you.